Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video. And from this video, I'm starting one series where I'll be talking about some popular technologies which are being used from decades. So in that series, this is the first video in which I'm going to talk about Java programming because it's a global giant which was being used from decades constantly. So today I'm going to talk about this. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's start. So I have prepared one PPT of this Java programming language, and it's going to be the story of global software giant. Okay, and in this PPT I have mentioned a journey of Java from its beginning as oak to becoming a cornerstone of modern software development, which powers billions of devices and enterprise system worldwide. Okay, so I'm starting with the origin and creation of Java programming. So see, the story of Java began in 1991 at Sun Microsystem. It was basically a one organization conceived by visionary team led by James Gosling. It is the name you might always listen as a creator of Java. But there was a visionary team, and these visionary teams are like James Gosling, Mike Sheridan, and Patrick Nogstad, with a goal to revolutionize consumer electronic devices. And when initially Java was created, it was known as Oak, okay, which was a tree name, which was just after Gosling office. But later on in 1995, it renamed as Java, which is inspired by an Indonesian coffee. And this development of Java was started with a motive called Vora. Vora means write once, run anywhere. This is the basic motive they had. They just wanted to design to be portable, object oriented, and platform independent under the famous motto which was write once, run anywhere, Vora. And now let's go to little bit deeper, like the birth of Java. So see, Java made its first grand debut on May 20, 1995 at the Sun World Expo, and which was totally a pivotal moment for web development. That day Java 1.0 was officially launched, and it was promising a new era of interactive web content. Initially they had started focusing on web content, and also there they introduced applets for web browsers that was allowing dynamic content. And for the first time they also introduced JDK, Java Development Kit, for developers. And their main motive, platform independence, which was their main motive, Vora, write once, run anywhere. This concept of Java virtual machine, JVM, running bytecode on any device solidified its Aura promise, write once, run anywhere. And because of this, developers were freeing from platform specific constraints. From that time only, they don't need to stay or be stick with a single platform. And now let's talk about Java evolution and some key milestones that Java achieved in the early days. Okay, so when the journey of Java started, since its inception, it has been marked by continuous growth and adaptation, which was solidifying its role across various domains. Firstly, in late 1990s, it was that time when rapid adoption in enterprise software and web applications becoming the go-to language for robust systems. And after that, in early 2000s, then Java started its expansion with Java 2 platform editions like J2 SE, J2 EE, and J2 ME, which was totally catering desktop, enterprise, and mobile environments. And in 2010, a major thing happened with Java, which was Oracle acquires Sun Microsystems. You might be knowing Oracle Corporation, which manages Java now. So he acquires Sun Microsystem, which was previously managing Java. So from then only, Oracle started taking state shape of Java and ensuring its continued development. So these was some initial evolution stages and key milestones that Java achieved. Now let's talk about, as of now, what Java has main features and because of which Java is still ruling the industries. So Java continues to evolve with significant updates that enhance developers' productivity and application performance. In Java 8, they firstly introduced lambdas for functional programming, and also there is Stream API for efficient data processing. And also one thing which was there, modern date and time API for better time management. Then after 3 years, in 2017, Java 9 came, again with some modern features like modular system which were under Project Jigsaw for scalable and maintainable applications. And also in that version in Java 9, they enhance security and performance. And after that, there are some ongoing projects. Firstly, Project Loom that ensures lightweight concurrency for more responsive applications. And another one is Project Valhalla, which is focusing on memory efficiency and performance optimization. So these are two projects which are ongoing, which is being continued to develop Java even more. And now let's talk about some popularity of Java as of in 2025. So Java is still a powerhouse in the programming world, consistently ranking among the top languages. So firstly, there is one TIOB index rank where Java is ranking on 4 with 9.63% market share as of April 2025. Another one is GitHub popularity, where technology are judged by most contribution. Java is ranked as again fourth. And another one which is important for you to know, which is most used language in this indexing, Java has gained seventh rank with 30.35% of developer usage. And now this is one important thing. Fortune 500 companies, means top 500 companies of world, are 90% of them using Java. So this is one important thing you should keep in mind whenever you listen something negative about Java, okay? Because Java is still using very widely in industries. Still millions of lines are there in Java, and shifting to some other language is very difficult task to them. That's why they hire Java developers still again and again. So now let's see why Java is still relevant in today's modern era. Okay, so I have mentioned some major features, but there are also a lot of features of Java. Okay, so see, Java has mostly two things. First, robust design principles and continuous adaptation to modern computing needs. They adapt in every decade, whatever the need of computation are. Let's talk about their main features. So see, so first one is obviously platform independence. The JVM Java Virtual Machine allows Java applications to run seamlessly across Windows, Linux, macOS, mobile, and even embedded systems. And second one, robust ecosystem, means it is full of libraries, frameworks like Spring and Hibernate, and some essential and important tools such as Maven and Gradle that enhances development efficiency. And another one which is also very important for any technology, your strong community. Whenever you're stuck at any problem, is there any support available on the internet? Is there any community that are posting their queries and all for that particular technology? So this one thing play very important role for any particular technology out there. So talking about Java community, so see, millions of developers worldwide contribute to its growth, offering extensive support and resources. And last one, enterprise grade, which offers unparalleled performance, scalability, and security for mission critical backend systems. So these four things are the major features of Java that is making it still relevant in modern industries. So let's go some more specific, like what's the actual real world applications of Java. Okay, so Java versatility is evident in its widespread use across diverse industries and technologies. First, IoT and embedded systems, enterprise systems, mobile apps, big data, and even web services. And now let's talk about some challenges and criticisms, because it is being used in many diverse industries. So obviously there will be some challenges for Java. So let's see what are the main core challenges of Java. Okay, like first one is verbosity and boilerplate, which was often perceived as verbose with more boilerplate code compared to newer language. Verbosity means basically contains more words than it need. You might have seen Java syntax has a lot of words which we don't need in many cases, but still we have to write. So this is called verbosity. So because of this, Java faces a lot of criticism. Second one is JVM competition, Java Virtual Machine competition, because of which Java faces strong competition from other JVM languages like Kotlin and Scala, which offer more concise syntax. Means those languages has very concise syntax, but Java don't have. That's why they say some bad stuff for Java. Third one is performance trade-offs. Despite JIT compilers like Hotspot, JIT means just-in-time compilers like Hotspot, JVM abstraction can sometimes leads to performance. Means JVM Java Virtual Machine take little bit longer time to compile. And last one is null reference issues, which is basically a exception which come because of null pointer, which is very important notable pain point, which famously known as $1 billion mistake by Java inventor. So these are some challenges, major challenges, because of which Java face a lot of criticism, but might be later can be fixed by some other models and all. So this is all about this Java programming language. Now you might have understood why Java is still a relevant technology that are being used in industries. And also you might be understood now that why Java is still a global software development giant. So I hope this video was informative to you. I'm wrapping up this video here. This was the first video of our series where we will talk about a lot of technologies. So how was this video? Make sure to comment below, and if you got anything from this video, make sure to press that like button, and for this type of content make sure to subscribe. Until next time, keep building and keep exploring.